The Air Jordan MVP 92 is a fresh take on a classic, low-cut silhouette from Jordan brand. Featuring a sophisticated mix of wolf gray, cool gray, natural gray, and a pop of Ice Jade, this sneaker blends modern style with timeless appeal. Its upper combines premium nubuck and suede with DPU overlays, creating a layered, three-dimensional look that stands out. Breathable mesh panels keep your feet cool while side vents and contemporary panel designs update the iconic 1992 model. The rubber outsole offers durability and excellent grip, while padded collars and laces add comfort in every step. Inspired by Michael Jordan's legendary era, the MVP 92 pays homage to his top performance models. Perfect for sneaker fans and casual wearers alike, it matches urban, streetwear, and sporty looks effortlessly. With its sleek colorway, dynamic design, and archival value, the Air Jordan MVP 92 is more than just a shoe. It's a statement piece that honors basketball history while keeping modern comfort and style in mind.